देना चाहता हूँ। सैटेलाइट के कंपोनेंट्स एवं सिस्टम्स या सब सिस्टम्स की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में अब 100% एफडीआई ऑटोमेटिक रूल का प्रावधान किया जाएगा। सैटेलाइट की एंड टू एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, सप्लाई और ऑपरेशंस, सैटेलाइट डेटा प्रोडक्ट्स, ग्राउंड सेगमेंट और यूजर सेगमेंट एक्टिविटीज़ जैसे कि ऑब्जर्वेटरी, ग्राउंड टर्मिनल आदि में अब 74% तक एफडीआई की अनुमति ऑटोमेटिक रूट से।
The recent decision by the Union Cabinet to permit 100% foreign direct investment in the space sector has been hailed as a transformative step by Pawan Goenka, chairman of InSpace. He views this move as a catalyst that will propel India to unprecedented heights in space exploration and technology. By lauding Prime Minister Modi's vision, Goenka underscores the significance of this decision to encouraging the active involvement of non-governmental entities in space research and manufacturing. Moreover, he emphasizes the potential for global collaboration to significantly enhance India's space capabilities. With the space sector experiencing substantial investment growth worldwide, Goenka believes that India, equipped with its skilled workforce and infrastructure, is primed to capture a substantial portion of the projected $1 trillion space economy by 2040. This policy change aligns with the Indian Space Policy 2023 and complements initiatives like Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat, emphasizing self-reliance and indigenous manufacturing. The amended FDI policy allows for varying degree of foreign investment across different segments of the space sector, including launch vehicles, satellites, and satellite components. By easing FDI norms, the Indian government aims to attract international players and private companies, providing clearer pathways for overseas investments and fostering the establishment of manufacturing facilities within the country. This strategic move not only fosters innovation and collaboration but also positions India as a global leader in space technology and exploration.